Okay, this is your 48-hour forecast for northeastern Pennsylvania, northern New Jersey, taking you all the way down towards Berwick and Hazleton. My next 48-hour update will be Monday the 24th. Remember, tomorrow, 6 o'clock, between 6 and 7, depending on which of the Weather Outlook Facebook pages you're on, I'll be live on there, and I'll be discussing the spring and the summer forecast. And if you have any questions, we'll get into that. And even if you want to talk about how cold it's going to get for the month of April, we can discuss that. So that's what I'll have going on. But let's discuss the little bit of weather we have to deal with for the next couple of days. Right now, this is around 4 o'clock. We're dealing with temperatures down south here, upper 50s to 60 over here in Jersey, 50s and basically up in northeastern PA. But you can see the beginning of the cold front beginning to move up here. It'll be in Towanda shortly, probably before you even read this. Um, there, at this point in time, precipitation is limited to up there, and there's some heavier showers mixed in with this as it comes across. I'm not sure you'll get a thunderstorm with it, but it's quite windy ahead of it. So there's that. Now this takes you to around 6 o'clock, and you can see it's crossing the Wyoming Valley, Scranton, heading up towards Wayne County, Pike County. It's gone through Binghamton already, and it moves pretty quick as it goes through. And you can see up here closely, yeah, a little bit of snow on the backside of it up in New York. As this goes by, temperatures drop quite quickly. I just showed you where they were in the 50s and the 60s. The front goes by, and this is around, yeah, this is around 9 o'clock. Nope, this is around 7 o'clock, I'm sorry. And you can see temperatures up here getting close to freezing. We're down south where the front still didn't get to. It's in the 50s. So there's a big difference between one side and the other. But as we go through tonight, this takes you to around 7 o'clock in the morning. And you can see, and like I discussed yesterday, there's areas in the Poconos where it's gone down into the teens, higher elevations, even out here, some teens. Elsewhere, we're talking low 20s. Even in Jersey, we're talking mid 20s, so pretty chilly. And you add in the wind factor to the whole thing, and you got temperatures single digits in a few areas. And if you look up here in New York, they got some temperatures, wind chills around zero. But it'll be very cold if you're going out late tonight, and so be prepared for that. Because even over here in Jersey, towards Newark, the real feel on your skin is in the teens. So you got that to go on. But then as we go through the day, on Sunday, we start to see what is coming back in. This is Sunday around 8 o'clock in the evening, and you can see a little bit of precipitation moving in. And this one here could cause a little trouble. This one's going to come across and be rain as it moves across and clear out. And that's a pretty good dousing of rain as it goes through. And we have temperatures behind this again. Let's see if we can bring this up. Temperatures behind this, um, pretty chilly. They chill out again. Temperatures in the 30s in the Poconos, and this is not quite early morning yet. And then during the day on Monday, still saying the 30s and the 40s. So it's going to be pretty chilly behind that one. And then we have another line of precipitation coming across Monday night, and it just starts to come into our screen around 8 o'clock. And this one has a little bit of snow mixed in with it. So if you're wondering how much snow there could be, and this is what it's showing, it's not very much. But again, some areas up here can get an inch. And this snow would be associated with that next front, or it would be associated with Monday morning as that other front goes through. And, the higher elevations can see a dusting. There might be somebody that gets lucky and gets an inch out of this. But you got to go up here towards Hunter Mountain to see anything important. Now, there could be a little bit of freezing rain. Now, this is Sunday night around midnight. And you can see it's coming across, and to the north there's snow. Even Scranton can see a little snow out of this. But then you got this pink area here that's some freezing rain. And that's the part that would make things a little slippery as it goes through. And then eventually, as it clears the area, um, it just basically becomes a higher elevation event around 5 in the morning. But again, as it moves away, we have to consider, where we are with the freezing rain. Now, again, I showed you that that was just a light amount of snow. And again, nothing in the valleys or the river area here, but anywhere in the higher elevations could get some freezing rain. And again, like Mount Pocono, Tobyhanna, things can get a little slippery up there overnight into the early morning hours on Monday. So keep that in mind. Okay, just a reminder, tomorrow, sit between 6 and 7, we'll be live and we'll be discussing the preliminary spring and summer forecast and discuss whatever you want to discuss about the weather then. All right, everybody, take care.